Hi everyone, this video about how to create a Facebook page on your computer or laptop. Here's before you create a page, you must have a Facebook profile. Go to Facebook. Click page on the left side. Below your page and profiles, click on create new page. Enter the page name and category. Then click Create Page. Your page creation is already complete. If you want to customize your page, you can add your bio, a profile picture, cover photo, and others details. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also follow us our own social media platform for more helpful video like this one.